Have you ever wondered if you can use images from the internet for your projects or presentations? Let's talk about how to use images legally. First, check if the image is in the public domain or has a Creative Commons license. This means it can be used without permission or payment. Make sure to give proper attribution to the original creator of the image. This can be done by including their name and a link to the original source. In any case, have a look at the website for the correct attribution of the image. Some websites offer free-to-use images with no attribution required. Check out websites like Unsplash or Pexels for great options. However, some images require permission or payment for a license. Always check the licensing terms before using the image. Lastly, never use copyrighted images without permission. This could result in legal consequences. So, now you know how to use images from the internet legally. Remember, always check the licensing terms and give the proper attribution to the owner of the image.